Of course, there's traffic. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back on the beautiful R1M. Riding in traffic, not my favorite, but we're going to the shop, meet up with the boys, do a little ride with another S1000, and yeah, just your daily dose of riding slash motovlog. Hopefully no car cut me off and hit me. Super nice out today. I wish the roads were empty. My quick shifter has been acting up. I guess it's not really acting up, it just doesn't feel as smooth, which is kind of weird. I'll ask the guys at the shop today, but I don't know, like downshifting is not bad, but still it feels like a little, I have to kind of like force it, especially shifting up like right now. I have to press pretty hard, if I forget and don't, which is most of the time muscle memory, it pops it back into neutral. Oh, hard stop. Thank you. So I'm just shifting with the clutch. I also get like a billion people ask me on almost every video where I don't shift using my clutch. Yes, I do have a quick shifter on both bikes. This bike actually has an auto blip, which means I can even go downshift without a clutch, as well as upshift. And that's an auto blipper. I think some new bikes come with that, but most bikes just, or like decently new bikes, come with a quick shifter. And if they don't, you can actually get that installed on your bike, but you're also going to need a flash tune. So yeah, just kind of, I know I kind of, ooh, that's nice, pretty clean. I don't like yellow, but that looks clean. I'm gonna have to keep repeating this because I know not everyone's gonna see this part where I mention it, but I get asked so many times even though I've covered it before. Whoa, nice I8. I don't know if it's the helmet breaking in, like the pads are definitely not as tight on this AGV Pista RR, but it sure does sound louder. When I first got this bike, I think the padding was like a little more tight, so noise didn't get in as much, but now I feel like my ear is right next to the exhaust. It's a very loud helmet for sure. I need me another daily helmet and keep this pretty AGV as my race helmet for the track. That's pretty annoying. There's so much traffic. Eric! Wow. How you doing?
Good.
What up? Whoa. Whoa. That thing is nice. R. V4R. Someone got a lot of money. All the pretty bikes. Where's your bike? Whoa. Ah, wait, what? This one?
Yeah.
I thought you had a different exhaust.
Yeah, I just got that one today.
Oh, why did you switch from the Austin Racing?
More power.
Oh man. Gee, why are you strapped and all? Are you trying to gap some people?
Hell yeah. I'm gonna be coming out to Texas next time.
Oh my god. Fire it up, sir. I like how the light hits it. Vibrates my ears. Booty, 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 booty. Oh, I didn't know my bike wasn't warmed up. You guys should not be revving when you're under 130. That's never a good sign. What the hell? Oh, there's a lot of cops right here. Episode, we're chasing cops instead of them chasing us. Nice, dude. Short ride. Too many cops, too much traffic, but just hanging out with the guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, support, subscribe. And even if you just watched the video, I still appreciate that. I'm gonna do a chill night ride home, just relax, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, probably in a couple days. Peace out. Thank you for watching.